How to add a YouTube video to your Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can easily add a YouTube video to your Canva presentation. Let's get started. First, go to your Canva presentation. Pick the slide where you want to add your video. For this example, I will use the third slide. Now on the left-hand side, click on Apps, and in the search bar, type Embed and select the Embed app. Next, click on Open. Once it opens, choose YouTube as the source. And now, you will need the link to your YouTube video. Now, go to YouTube, find your video, and copy the URL at the top of the page. Then head back to Canva and paste the link into the embed box and press enter. Your YouTube video will now appear inside your presentation. When you click present, you'll be able to play the video directly for your audience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.